In the second chapter, instruction set of the ARM microcontroller. In that chapter include the ARM instruction set architecture, barrel shifter, data transfer instruction, arithmetic and logical instruction, multiply instruction, swap instruction, thumb instruction set, Zazzali instruction, comparison of the ARM, thumb and Zazzali ISA, Cortex series and its features. In the ARM instructions, this introduction to the ARM instruction set is the fundamental chapter. Since the information presented here is used throughout the rest of the book. Consequently, it is the placed here before we start going to the depth and optimization and efficient algorithm. This chapter introduces the most common and useful ARM instruction, the built on the ARM processor fundamental covered in the last chapter. Introduce the thumb instruction set and the appendix gives complete description of all ARM instruction. In the different ARM architecture, revision supports the different instruction. However, the new revision usually add instruction remain backwardly compatible. Code you write a architecture ARM v40 should execute on the ARM v5TE processor. The table shows provide the complete list of the ARM instruction available ARM v5 instruction set architecture. This ISA includes all the core ARM instruction as well as the some of the newer feature in the ARM instruction set. The ARM ISA column lists the ISA revision in which the instruction was introduced. Some instructions have extended functionally in the latter architecture. For example, CDP instruction has an ARM v5 variant called the CDP2. Similarly, instructions such as the LDR have ARM v5 addition but do not require a new or the extended literally the processor operation using the example with pre and post condition describing the register and the memory before and after instruction or the instruction are the executed. We will represent the hexadecimal numbers with the prefix 0x and the binary numbers with the prefix 0b. In the pre and post condition, the memory is denoted as the mem data size and address. This refers to the data size bits of the memory starting in the given byte address. For example, mem32 1024 is the 32-bit value starting at the address 1 KB. ARM instruction process data held in the register and only across the memory with the load and the store instruction. ARM instruction commonly take 2 or 3 operands. For example, add instruction below the adds 2 values stored at register R1 and R2 and it writes the result to the register R3. In the following section, we examine the function and syntax of the ARM instruction by the instruction class data processing instruction, branch instruction and load store instruction, software interrupt instruction and the program status register instruction. The ARM processor is very easy to program at the assembly level. Through the most application it is the more appropriate to program the high level language such as the C or C++. Assembly language programming requires the programmer to think at the level of individual machine instruction. And ARM instructions Assembly language programming requires the programmer to think at the level of the individual machine instructions. And ARM instruction is the 32 bits long, so there are around the 4 billion different binary machine instructions. Fortunately, there is the considerable structure within the instruction space, so the programmer does not have to be familiar with each of the 4 billion binary encoding or the individual basis. Even so, there is the considerable amount of the details to be got right in each instruction. The assembler is the computer program which handle the most of the details for the programmer. In this chapter, we will look at the ARM assembly languages programming at the user level and see how to write the simple program which will run the ARM development board or the ARM emulator. For example, ARM emulator which comes as the part of the ARM development toolkit. Once the basis instruction set is familiar, we will move on the next chapter, the system level programming, and at the sum of the finer details, the ARM instruction set include the binary level instruction encoding. Some ARM processor support from the instruction set that has been compressed into the 16-bit thumb instruction. In discussed the thumb instructions. तुमचं झालं का नाही?
येऊ नका म्हणलं अजिबात काय असेल ते मला रसल्यावर बोला.